Hello friends, thanks to you all for your support. Mars is a constant point of discussions for space explorers around the world. We have sent dozens of spacecraft there to study. Some want to land astronauts on it. The planet is just far away to make that dream difficult, but close enough to spark our imagination. So, what are some of the most important things to learn about the red planet? I am Vihanjan. Today I will share 10 coolest facts about planet Mars. Let's start. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system, being larger than only Mercury. In English, Mars carries the name of the Roman god of war and is often referred to as the Red Planet. Mars has two moons. Mars has two moons orbiting around it, known as Phobos and Deimos. As Mars is named after the Roman god of war, the moons were named Phobos, which means fear or panic, and Deimos means terror or dread. Mars and Earth have approximately the same land mass. Mars is only about one half of the diameter of Earth, but both planets have roughly the same amount of dry land and surface area. This is because over 2/3 of the Earth's surface is covered by oceans, whereas the present surface of Mars has no liquid water. Mars has about 1/10 of the mass of Earth. Mars' mass is about 10 times less than Earth. This affects the force of gravity. Gravity on Mars is 38% of the Earth's gravity. So a 100-pound person on Earth would weigh 38 pounds on Mars. Gravity on Mars is weaker than the Earth's gravity. In space, gravity is essential. Gravity plays an important role in walking. Humans won't be able to walk on Mars as they do on Earth, as the gravity of Mars planet is too low. This means no proper walk at all for the entire human stay on Mars. Due to this, one can jump around 3 times higher on Mars than on Earth. A year on Mars lasts almost twice as long as a year on Earth. This is due to the fact that Mars is significantly farther from the Sun and the time it takes to orbit the Sun is significantly greater than that of the Earth. Earth orbits in 365 days while Mars orbits in 687 Earth days. It would take more than 6 of Mars to fill the volume of Earth. Mars is approximately half the diameter of Earth with a surface area only slightly less than the total area of Earth's dry land. Mars is less dense than Earth, having about 15% of the Earth's volume. The tallest mountain known in the solar system is on Mars. The largest volcano on Mars is also the solar system's tallest mountain, that is Olympus Mons. It is 21 km high and 600 km diameter shield volcano that was formed billions of years ago. Olympus Mons rises 3 times higher than Earth's highest mountain, Mount Everest. The sunset on Mars appears blue. The red planet witnesses a blue sunset. On Mars, the dust particles in the sun's direction scatter blue light forward to create a cool blue sunset near the horizon. Mars has the largest dust storms in the solar system. This is due to the elliptical shape of the planet's orbit path around the Sun. This oval-shaped orbit results in a fierce dust storms that cover the entire planet and can last for many months. Hope you guys like it. To discover more amazing facts like this, please subscribe to my channel. Let us know which was your favorite fact by leaving a comment below. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.